After visiting Spain and solo hiking some of the most breathtaking national parks and challenging mountains I've ever been to, I now find myself back home in the UK, and I'm determined not to let the adventure end. So join me as I explore the UK's trails. This may not be Everest, but it's something you can take on by yourself or share with those around you. This is X21 Trails.
Hey, so today's hike is gonna be about 20 kilometers. We're starting at Enfield Lock. I've never actually been to this part of Enfield before, but we're gonna walk along the canal or the river. I'm not too sure. Well, it shows us river in the map, and yeah, it's really cold. So it's about 1 degree Celsius. So I had to layer up yesterday. I went into Decathlon and I got myself a nice down jacket. Turns out it's raining, so we'll see how much good that does. Got an umbrella with me, so it should be all right. But yeah, I'll take you through this northern part of London and outside the M25, which is the outer motorway. It smells like burnt wood. I think they're cooking something, I'm not too sure, but maybe if you look over there, or maybe I think they're burning wood. It smells nice. Yeah, I'm planning to make it from Enfield Lock up to Rydon Station. So I should be able to go through some lovely marshes. We'll see what it's like. We got like the river, the canal gates over here and regulating the water level. So yeah, I'm starting. Here we go. Everything's mainly flat land and lots of locks. As you can see, all the boats are mooring for the winter. So obviously they need permits or whatnot, and they've got them, yeah. And the Jurassic Park of all boats there, yeah. Right, so we're making our way from River Lee or Leia. Well, we're in Lee Valley right now. Lee Valley, that's it. And then on my right, we've got flood relief channel. That's it, yeah. So that, yeah, in case of flooding, they open the gates and they divert the water over there. There's good signaling, so you're not gonna get lost. So yeah, definitely worth coming here with your kids or for a leisurely walk. So it's definitely more rural. It's a marshland. I believe this is called Hook's Marsh, and I've seen lots of people fishing. You know, tents and all the equipment and whatnot. But yeah, herons everywhere, ducks, swans, you name it. All types of birds. There you go. Baby herons. A couple of baby herons just taking off. Right, so I took a detour from the riverside walk. You go for all these trails, like proper trails. Yeah, and you're surrounded by ponds and little lakes on either side. So yeah, very refreshing. Also, just to let you know, I'm really happy that in a couple of weeks, I'll be doing the whole of Enfield Forest. So yeah, we'll be doing about 20 kilometers, a whole loop around it from Enfield Station, and I think a few people coming along with that. So about 10 or 20 people, who knows? I think so far we have about 10 people signed up to it. So I'm really happy that I get to share this with lots of people and, getting people out there. That's the whole point. So keep on moving forward. If you told me this was in London, I wouldn't have believed you. Well, unless I looked it up on Google or something. But yeah, Lee Valley, definitely worth a walk, a hike, sometime. And maybe a bit sunnier might be more pleasant, but it's still just as magical in autumn. Apparently you can see otters. I've seen herons, all types of birds, as you can see behind me. And lots and lots of trees. I just come out of that building. I had no idea it was there. But luckily for me, I managed to grab a bite, and apparently, they offered coffee, £2 for a latte. It's refreshing, but you take a rest, you get too settled, and you don't want to get up, you don't want to walk, especially when it's cold like today. And I was feeling miserable. I said, let me just stay here for another 10 minutes, and then 10 became 15, 20, and I wanted to just sit down and sleep for a bit, but nah. But it is cold today, and I just didn't want to get up. I had to force myself to go. So yeah, the staff, I don't know if the volunteers that actually work there full time, but lovely people, and very caring. And if you got any questions about birds or anything like that, just ask them, don't Google it, talk to them.
Well, it did not stop raining the whole time I was out there. I was not wearing the right gear, that's for sure. And I think that makes a big difference. So if you do want to attempt something like this, whether it's raining or it's sunny out there, it's hot, make sure you wear the right gear, the right clothing, the right shoe. And if you've never done this, 20 kilometers might be a bit too much, or should you wish to keep on going, take regular breaks and drink plenty of water. And the darker it got, the colder the weather. But I couldn't help but feel happy and warm inside. I know it might sound a bit cringy to you, but to me, it meant I'd finished what I set out to do for today. And that was really fulfilling. So if you can somehow, put your shoes on, get some water, put your jacket on, and get out there. Start walking. Start finishing what you start.
So as usual, I'm running out of daylight and I'm a little bit too far out, so I decided to kind of recalculate, and we're gonna cut through, we're gonna skip the Rymeads, and we go through this lake or pond, not lake, Glen Faber or Faber, Glen Faber, Faber, I don't know. Yeah, we'll go straight to the train station and back to where we started to pick up the car and go home.
Boy, was I glad to see the train in the platform. I wanted to get back home to my family, have a warm meal. So if you like the adventure, consider subscribing and joining our X21 Trails community. Liking and sharing the video, that goes a long way. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.